Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Patchworks cases for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Thank you to Patchworks for sending all these cases out. I've really enjoyed working with Patchworks in my case reviews. They have sent me cases for the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, the Note 8, and they're really good about sending out review units. I told them I got the S9 Plus, asked if they had any cases to review, and the next email was the tracking number for these guys right there. So I will leave a link to these down in the description below. If you guys want to check any of these out, you can go ahead and pick them up on Amazon, and I will also link the Patchworks website down in the description below as well, so you can take a look at cases for all your devices. So it looks like they sent along, let's see, it looks like we got 5 cases to take a look at here. As well as they sent along some microfiber cleaning cloths that are Patchworks branded, so thank you for that. I don't know if they will send these in regular case orders or if this is just something they throw in for, the boxes they send out for review. But nonetheless, they are there. So first one we have in the box here is the Level ITG, which is a hard shell back case. I have one of these for my iPhone 10 and I love that case. It's kind of like their version of the OtterBox Symmetry, kind of the competitor to that. So I'm just going to show you what we have in the box. I'm going to put them all aside, and then we'll take a look at them on the phone. So there is that one. We have the Monogrip right here, which is kind of like a gold, a very, very light gold color. And it looks like it is textured on the back, so we'll take a look at that here in a second once we get them all opened. This right here is the full cover 3D, so that is going to be your screen protector. It is a 9H scratch resistant glass screen protector. We have a Monogrip in black, which is a little bit different texture it looks like, comparing it to this one right here. Actually no, it looks about the same, it's just the color on there. And then we have a Level ITG in black. So we have 2 Monogrips, one in gold and one in black, and then we have a 2 Level ITGs, one in gold, one in black, and then we have a screen protector. So thank you, Patchworks. I'm going to go ahead and we'll start looking at these guys on the phones as well, or on the phone as well. So let me open those one by one, and I will show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I have all the cases laid out here. On the left-hand side, we have the Monogrips, black, gold, and then over here we have the 2 Level ITG cases, the black and the red. I will be giving away one of each of these cases, so I'm going to give away the gold Monogrip and the red Level ITG. So I'm just going to try the 2 black ones on, and then I'm going to put these back in the package. And I want you guys to leave a comment what your favorite S9 Plus feature is, and I'm going to pick one of those to win each of these cases. So leave a comment on what your favorite S9 Plus feature is and which case you want, and I'm going to pick one of each, and I will send these out to you guys. It's going to be US only, so USA only, and I will pay for shipping and ship these out to you guys. I was going to do a video on the screen protector, but this is actually a Galaxy S9 screen protector, and I would have given this away as well, but I actually tried to put it on, and I didn't realize until I went to put it on that it wasn't the right size, because I tried to put it on and the bottom is cut off. So, a little mishap on that one, but that's alright. So like I said, I'm going to try the black ones on of each of these cases so you guys can see what they look like. On the Monogrips, it is a textured surface on the back. It's kind of like a rubber. It's not a hard plastic like these, so there's a little bit of grip to it. On the inside, that's what that one looks like. Patchworks branding right there. On the sides, there is no Patchworks branding other than right here next to the camera cutout. So really nice on the branding. You don't have like branding all over the place. I know a lot of people don't like that. On this one, you do have a little slide for your fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock your phone easily. It's easy to find the fingerprint sensor. You just slide your phone up and in you go. You don't have that on the Level ITG. You just have one large cutout for the camera with a little separate cutout for the health sensor. So that is the Monogrip, which feels really nice. You do have little textured grips right here on the side for when you're holding your phone. You do have that as well on the Level ITG. So that is the Monogrip. Really the only difference is the slope right here and the difference in texture type on the back. So then on this one, get out of the way, Bixby. This one, the edges are not as raised up, so you do have easier access to your edge panel. Your fingerprint sensor is still easy to get to. You can still tell where it is. There is a little bit of a slide right here, so you can tell where it ends and stuff like that, so you have easy access to your fingerprint reader and all that kind of stuff. So this one does feel really good in the hand. This case feels a little bit less, it doesn't add as much bulk to the phone as the Monogrip does. This one is a little bit wider on the side, as you can see there, so it does add a little bit more bulk. This one does have a bigger textured side for your fingers. This one appears to have a little bit bigger top and bottom section there for screen protection, so if you drop it, face down on the screen, your screen's going to be protected. This one is basically the same all around. You do have a little bit of a raise right there, but nothing too much. Let me go put it back in the Monogrip real quick just so you guys can see what that one is like. Monogrip, you're not as you don't have as much access to your edge panel right there, but you do have a pretty big raise along the top and bottom here, so if you were to drop it, your phone is a little bit more raised off the ground, and you do get some more screen protection like that. And then, like I said, these two cases are the same right here, just different colors. I am going to be giving these two away, so do follow those instructions that I just mentioned, and I will pick a winner for these. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe.